This is my quick review of the Meta Quest 3 Silicone facial interface. So I've been using this for a few days now, and while using it I took a note of things I liked about it and things I disliked. So I just want to share my opinion on those facts. Okay, so the first positive side is that it's easy to clean. Comparing to the original facial interface, this is the one that came with the Quest. It's all cloth. If you're sweating, if you're playing sports game or something that is very demanding and you sweat a lot, well, everything will penetrate in this material and it will be hard to clean it afterwards. This one, since it's silicone, you just have to wipe it. No sweat will get trapped in it. Another good point about this silicone interface is that it's more comfortable to wear, again, comparing to the original one. I think there's more padding. I don't know if we can compare it like this. Definitely, you see there's more traveling here comparing to the original one. So if you're wearing for a longer period of time, since it's more plushy, in my opinion, is also more enjoyable to wear. I guess this will depend on the person. Maybe you prefer having this kind of material rubbing on your face. I think I can compare this to a small pillow that you're wearing on your face. Now, what I wish was improved, what thing I didn't like about this silicone facial interface. I think it's obvious, but this is not breathable. So if you're playing sports game, for a long period of time, yes, it will be comfortable, but all the sweat will drip out of your face and will gather on the sides of this facial interface. It's like wearing a rubber mask on your face. So you may have to pause the game and simply wipe it around to remove all the excess sweat. Another thing that I wish was improved is the fact that if you're wearing glasses, and these are the ones I'm wearing, it's a bit more difficult to get them inside of the mask comparing to the original one. At the end, both of these fits. It's just that to get these in, let me show you. This is, again, the original cloth mask. I just have to press slightly, you see, no effort at all, and they go right inside. While on this silicone mask, if I do the same thing, yeah, definitely I need to push a lot more. You see, the cushion of this mask is definitely taking more space. Therefore, I need to push more at the beginning. I need to squeeze my glasses, and then it's fine. Once they're inside, it's absolutely the same feeling as on that one. But to put the Quest 3 on my face and out of my face, I think it's easier on the original one than here, where even when I remove it, you see there's more rubbing on the sides. Maybe if you have smaller glasses, you won't have these problems. And finally, the last negative point is I think this should have been included inside of the box. I had the original Quest 2 and it came with an actual rubber thing that you can put on in the box. I didn't have to purchase one. Since they market the Quest 3 as a gaming console where you're active and you can do sports and many things, obviously you're gonna sweat, and this is definitely not made if you're going to sweat around. Because honestly, this is, I think, on the pricey side. There's, again, many third-party options that are cheaper. I didn't test them out to know how well they are. Maybe you can write a comment down below if you have another brand, just so maybe more people can compare. But overall, I was expecting to pay less for this kind of add-on for my Quest 3. So these are the positive and the negative side I found. Again, this is just my opinion. Maybe you'll have a different experience one of these. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like this video if it was useful. And finally, if you want to get one of these, check the links in the description. I have also put other brands if you want to compare the prices around. So thanks.